Dali. Match the pictures according to different stages of growth. Infant, baby. Dali, itapat mo dun. Guhit mo yung baby. Baby. Eto. Asan yung baby dyan? Where's the baby dyan? Ayan. Dali. From here to here. Very good. Toddler. Asan toddler? Where's the toddler?
No.
Is this a toddler?
No.
Is this a toddler?
Yes.
Ay, very good. A toddler. From here to here. Dali. Ganun. Next, preschooler. Is this preschool?
No.
Is this a preschool?
No.
Is this a preschool?
Yes.
Very good. Galing Dali. Ano mo? Galing ng baby ko. Adolescent. Is this adolescent?
Yeah.
No. Adult yan. Ito adolescent. Ito si kuya.
Yes.
Dali. Dali. Guhit mo. From here to here. Adult. Is this adult?
No.
Is this adult?
Yes.
Ay, very good. Old age or lolo. Is this lolo?
No.
Is this lolo?
No.
Is this lolo?
No.
Is this lolo?
Yes.
Very good. Good job. Next. Makinig kay mami, makinig. Last na to. Tomorrow ulit. Tignan ang mga larawan. Tignan daw yung larawan. Look at the pictures. Ano ang sasabihin ng batang magalang? It's nighttime mo. Ano sasabihin ng bata? Nighttime.
Nighttime.
Magandang gabi po. Ano sasabihin ng bata kapag nighttime? Magandang... ayoko na nga! Ikaw, magalang ka ba? Ano ang sasabihin mo para sa sitwasyong ipinapakita sa larawan? Ito nasaktan niya yung classmate niya. Naapakan niya yung feet. Nasaktan siya. Sad na siya. Ano sasabihin mo? Sorry po. Say it.
Sorry po.
Sorry po. Tapos binigyan ka ng paper ng classmate mo. Ano sasabihin mo? Salamat po. Salamat po. Say it.
Salamat po.
Pag may nagbigay sa'yo, laging magpapasalamat. Tas yung bata, nagmano, anong sasabihin? Mano po. Say it.
Mana po.
Dali, sabihin mo kay mami.
Mana po.
Very good.
Mana po.
Mano po.
Sabi mo kay daddy ka.
Tapos,
Tapos,
teka. Tapos, kumakain kayo. Gusto mong kumuha pa ng kanin. So, ano sasabihin mo sa mami mo? Mami,
Mami.
pakiabot po yung kanin. Abot po
Po.
yung kanin.
Ikani.
Tapos, ito namang larawan na to, nasalubong niya yung teacher niya. Ito si teacher, Ano sasabihin mo kay teacher? Good morning, teacher. Magandang umaga po. Sabihin mo nga. Magandang umaga po. Tapos, pupunta ka na sa school. Itong next na picture, pupunta ka na sa school. Pero, may nakaharang sa daanan. Ang sasabihin mo, makikiraan po. Say it. Makikiraan po. Makikiraan po.
Kikiyan po.
Very good. Okay. Lesson 1. My two hands. The left and the right. How many hands do you have? Count your hands.
1, 2.
Very good. Next, trace your right hand below. Oh, let's trace your hand. Let's trace. Open it. Trace, trace, trace.
No. Oh.
Trace.
Oh. Oh.
The left and the right. This is right hand. What's this? Right hand. Oh, the left hand. Left hand. Dali. Trace natin left hand. Can you do it? Oh, trace your hand. Trace your hand. Hold the crayon. Put your hand here. Open your fingers. Oh, you can do it. Oh, dali. Trace it. Oh, dali. You can do it. Yes. Good job.
Is this for a bottle?
Very good. This is your
Hand.
left hand. Left hand. Where's your left hand? Here. Here. Where's your left? Left and the right. Oh, where's the right? Here. Where's left? Here. Very good. O, taas mo yung left. Taas mo yung left. Taas yung kamay. Left hand. Left. Right. Saan ang right? Ito. Right. Next. Connect the broken lines to form your two hands. O, dali. Connect the broken line daw. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Connect the broken line.
It's for a single motor vehicle accident. So, right goes the one listed.
Good job. Go, go, go. You can do it.
Slowly.
Yes, slowly. Wow, good job. Very good. You're doing a great job.
Hariwa. And
Wow, very good. That is left hand. Left hand.
Is there,
Yes, that's your left hand.
yeah, is there already an register?
Good job. Oh, another. This is right. Right hand. O, dali. Trace mo na. Hindi, no, no, no. Connect the broken line. Connect it. Connect it slowly.
Oh, we can need the left.
Wow, very good. Good job. This is
finger.
study direction of the straight line. Oh, straight line yan. Straight. Oh, ito, observe the direction of the straight line. Going down, going down, going down. To trace the broken lines from left to right. O, dali. Trace mo daw. Going to it na yung cat. Dali, dali. Trace mo. Dali. Oh, trace mo na.
The cat.
Can you trace it?
It's me, the cat.
Yes.
The cat.
Dali. Trace, trace slowly. Go, go, go. You can do it. Slowly. Very good. Oh, next. The bunny eating carrots. Dali, dali, go. Trace mo para mag-eat na siya ng carrots. Go, go, go. Slowly. Trace it na maayos. Connect the line. Because it's broken. Fix it. Oh, dali next. The monkey. Good job. Very good. Good job. Trace the broken lines from top to bottom. From top to bottom. O, dali. Trace it slowly. Can you do it?
One.
You can do it.
Oh.
Dali, go. The cat is going, the mommy cat is going to baby cat. Dali, help siya. Help mo siya. Dali, help mo siya. Going to her baby. Very good. You can do it. Yes, good job. Oh, the mommy chicken going to baby. Going to her baby. Can you help her? Good job. Good job. Very good.
There.
O, dali. Trace the broken line. Hawak ng maayos ng lapis yan. Okay. You can do it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You can do it. Good job. O, next. All the broken lines. Trace mo. Trace mo. Very good. Good job. Dami ng raindrops, no? Daming raindrops. Trace mo sila. Broken yung line nila, oh. Okay, okay. Trace the broken lines to form the right slanting line. Oh, dali, go, go. You can do it. Dali. You can do it, please. Gusto mo na ice cream?
No problem.
Okay. O, dali. Do it. Very good. Good job. Galing pala nito magsulat, Daddy. Yun mo, ang galing niya magsulat, oh. Nasa ano linya? Very good pala to, eh. Bibilan pala to ice cream, eh. Slowly lang.
The end.
Di pa the end. Starting pa lang, eh. Very good. Next.
Yeah.
Write your own right slanting lines. Start here to here. Do it. Very good. Okay, okay. It's okay. Sige, you can do it. Slanting line. Erase mo yan. That's wrong. Erase, erase, erase. That's wrong. Kailangan straight, slanting line. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. You can do it. Dali, do it, do it. Do you want ice cream? You want surprise? You want ice pop? Oh, dali, dali, do it na. Finish mo na to. Okay. Oh, finish mo na to. Finish mo na, dali. Here. Oh, yan no. Next. Next. From blue, from point to point. Good job. Okay na yan. Dun lang sa point.
Yeah.
From point to point. Yan. Ganun, ganun. Point to point. Next. Straight slanting line. Dali. You can do it. What is this? What's this? Okay. Trace the broken line to complete the picture. Dali. Broken yung line niya. Can you complete the picture? Trace mo yung broken line. Go, go, go. Para happy siya. Dali, para happy si Xylophone. You can do it. Trace mo yung broken line. Very good. Galing. Okay. Page 17. Trace the broken line to complete the picture. Trace mo daw. It's raining. Trace mo yung raindrops. Dali.
Oh no.
Trace the raindrops. Okay. You can do it. Go, go, go. Slanting lines. Very good. Ito pa sa baba. Maraming broken line. Finish mo na.
One more time.
Yes, you can do it.
One more time. One more time.
You can do it. You can do it. Go. You can do it.
One more time.
Yes, you can do it.
One more time.
Ito pa sa baba. Maraming broken line. Finish mo na. Do it.
No, that's mine. No, that's mine. Why?
Okay, you can do it.
Why?
Can you do it?
Why?
Can you do it? Can you finish your
Mine.
Can you finish your assignment? Finish your assignment na.
Mine.
Finish your assignment na, dali na.
Mine.
Please.
Mine.
Please, do it please.
No, thank you.
Bakit?
Please, no, please. No, mommy. Sorry about mommy. No, it's mine. No.
Okay, you can do it.
No, that's mine.
When do it?
No, it's mine. No.
Bakit ba?
That's mine.
Mami, bakit?
Ayaw niyang tapusin. Wala pa ako nagagawa eh.
I pay
Trace the broken lines to form left slanting line. Oh, dali, trace mo na. Trace mo na, baby ko. Dali. Can you do it? Wow!
What should we do?
Wow, yes, you can do it. Oh, dali,
What should
go.
we do?
You can do it na. Good job. Wow, very good. Very good talaga to eh. Oh, uy, yung galing. Galing talaga magsulat. Very good. Next. Galing oh. Very good pala talaga to eh. Sabihin ni teacher, very good Ria. I will give you a star. Diba? Bibigyan ka ni teacher ng star. Next. Oh, next. Opo, sa Monday, no? Pagpasok natin, no? Opo. Right your own left.
Here.
Left is slanting line naman. Wow, can you do this?
Oh, come here.
Okay, oh, dali, from point to point.
Oh, come here.
From point
Oh no.
to point. From point to point. Ah, dali, you do it.
Mommy.
You can do it, dali. From point to point.
The boy.
Uy, very good.
Boy.
Uy, ang galing. Ang ganda nun ah. Very good talaga yan ah.
The boy.
Ito naman, next. From point to point. Ang galing. Ang galing, next. Here. Here.
Boy. The boy.
Ang galing ah. Ito, yung katabi niya. Trace the broken lines to complete the picture. O, dali. Last na to. Dali, ay trace mo siya, oh. Ano to? Hat ba to? Hat? O, dali, trace mo yung broken line niya. Trace mo,
Hey,
dali.
mommy.
O, dali. You can do it. Opo.
Mine.
You can do it. Believe in yourself. Mommy is so happy.
No, it's mine.
Okay. Wow, very good ka talaga. Good job. Ang bilis ah. Study the picture. What food is this? Pizza. Study the picture. And this is curve line. Pa-curve. Pa-curve siya. Wow. Curve lines. Look at the picture of the baby boy. The arrows are pointing to his body parts. The head, eye, ear, nose, mouth, neck, body, arm, hand, leg, feet. Ito. Complete the head. Draw your own hair and face. O, dali. Gawa ka ng eyes muna. Draw the eyes. Eyes. Ilan eyes niya? Eyebrow. Kilay. Lagyan mo kilay.
No.
Kilay. Lagyan mo kilay.
Mouth. Mouth.
Nose. Mouth. Oh, hair. Hair.
Hair.
Hair naman. Lagyan mo. Ganda ng hair ah. Mukhang natipos. Ito. Color the correct sense organ. Ria, listen. Color the correct senses organ used in each picture. Oh, ito. The girl is reading. What organ she used? The girl is reading. Eyes or nose? The eyes or nose? The girl is reading the book. What organ she... Ayan. Color the correct senses organ. Oh, the girl is reading. She used the eyes. Bakit black eye? Ito. Next. Number 2. The girl is may kausap sa telephone na lagay sa ears niya. Anong ginamit niya? Ears or eyes? Ito. The girl is using telephone. Ears or eyes? Ears. Very good. Slowly lang. Ito, number 3. The boy is smelling her t-shirt. What senses? Nose or ears?
Nose or
Be-
ears?
Anong ginamit niya? Nose o ba o ears? Ha? Color mo. The correct senses. Nag-smell siya ng damit. Smelling siya ng damit. O, dali. Color mo. The correct senses. O, dali. Nose or ears? Ito muna. Ito muna. Smelling siya ng t-shirt. Nose or ears?
Like this.
Dito, this. O, smell siya. Nose ang ginamit niya. Nag-smell siya, di ba? Smell niya yung damit. Inamoy niya. Mabango. O, itong girl. Nagplancha. Hawak niya yung plancha. Anong ginamit niya? Nag-hold siya ng plancha. Nose or hands? Hands. Oh, very good. Dali, color the hands. Very good. Oh, next. This boy, licking the ice cream. Anong ginamit niya? Tongue or eyes? Anong ginamit ng boy? Tongue or eyes? Tongue. Very good. O, dali. Lick mo. Ano mo? Color mo.
Tongue.
Color mo. O, dali na. Yan na lang brown. Ay, ito pala, oh. O, dali. Color mo.
Why? Don't know.
You can do it. Nilick niya yung ice cream. Anong ginamit niya? Anong senses yan? What's this? Ria.
It starts with letter T.
It's tongue. Connect with the line the sense organs to their uses. For seeing. Yung makikita mo yung everything. Yung to see the TV. Oh, saan to? Anong ginagamit mo para makita yung mga bagay? Oh, dali. Connect mo na. Connect na. Dali. To see everything. Seeing. Dali. Do it na. Ito, for seeing. No. For smelling. Yan eh. For smelling. For smelling, anong ginagamit? Anong ginagamit for smelling?
We
For seeing?
eyes.
Oh, eyes. Oh, dali, connect mo, connect. Connect. Ganun. Kasi diinan mo. Ayan. Color the correct senses organ. Oh, the girl is reading. She used the eyes. Bakit black eye? Ito. Next. Number 2. The girl is may kausap sa telephone na lagay sa ears niya. Anong ginamit niya? Ears or eyes? Ito. The girl is using telephone. Ears or eyes? Ears. Very good. Slowly lang. Ito, number 3. The boy is smelling her t-shirt. What senses? Nose or ears? Oh, next. This boy licking the ice cream. Anong ginamit niya? Tongue or eyes? Anong ginamit ng boy? Tongue or eyes? Tongue. Very good. O, dali. Lick mo. Ano mo? Color mo.
Tongue.
Color mo. O, dali na. Yan na lang brown. Ay, ito pala, oh. O, dali. Color mo.
And bite. Don't know.
You can do it. Nilick niya yung ice cream. Anong ginamit niya? Anong senses yan? Ha, what's this? Ria.
It starts with letter T.
It's tongue. Connect the line, the senses organs to their uses. For seeing is to see everything. That is for the...
Dalihan mo sa pinto, pumapasok yung...
Ano to?
Eyes.
Very good. For smelling is for...
Pag ganun, magwalis ka pa ganun. Sige na, sundin mo na lang ako.
For smelling. Smelling.
Pag ganun ka magwalis.
Very good. For hearing. Hearing. Hear. 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 Hearing. Good job. For feeling. O touch. Touch. For feeling. Dali, connect. Connect the dot. Very good. For tasting. Lick the food.
Low.
Lick the food.
Kasi ang iyo pa kamay yun eh.
Very good.
Ako